Here's how to clean your Apple Watch to get rid of dirt, lotion, and sun cream, which may affect its performance. Before you start, you'll need a non-abrasive, lint-free cloth, and you should turn off your Apple Watch. You may also need lightly running, warm, fresh water. To turn off your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button until the sliders appear. Then, tap the off button in the top right-hand corner of the screen and drag the power off slider to the right. Now, take off your Apple Watch and remove your watch band if it's leather or if you don't want to get it wet. Next, wipe your Apple Watch clean with the lint-free cloth. If necessary, you can dampen the cloth with fresh water. If your Apple Watch has visible substances or debris on it, you can hold it under lightly running, warm, fresh water until it's clean. Don't use soap or cleaning products. Make sure you clean any lotion, sun cream, or dirt from the back crystal. ECG and other readings may be affected if the back crystal isn't clean. You should also turn and press the digital crown while cleaning to allow water to run over the small gap between the digital crown and the housing. For Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple Watch Series 11, you should also clean the speakers for optimal sound quality. These are on the side of your Apple Watch, opposite the digital crown and side button, and you can clean them with a soft bristle brush. Hold your Apple Watch under lightly running, warm, fresh water and lightly brush the speakers in a circular motion with gentle pressure in order to clean the ports and meshes from every angle. Continue cleaning the speakers for at least 30 seconds and up to a minute to ensure you've removed any debris that may be obstructing the speakers. When you finish cleaning your Apple Watch, dry it with a non-abrasive, lint-free cloth. Make sure you dry the surface of the back crystal. When drying the digital crown, make sure you remove water from its surface, the space between the digital crown and the watch case, and the surrounding surfaces. Once dry, you can put your band back on if you took it off and put your Apple Watch back on. Then turn on your Apple Watch. Just hold down the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, you should clear any water from the speaker. To do this, press the side button to open Control Center and tap the water lock button. Then, press and hold the digital crown on the side of your Apple Watch until the display reads Unlocked. A series of tones will play to clear any water that remains in the speaker. If your audio was quiet or muffled before cleaning your Apple Watch, you can test it now to see if the audio quality has improved. Repeat the cleaning process if necessary. And that's how to clean your Apple Watch.